Hi, this is Uday Singh and hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to talk to you about electric potential energy, right? So let's begin by defining it. It is defined as the work done in bringing all the charges from infinity to a point near each other to form a system of charges. Okay? So let us understand it with the help of an example. So consider a system of two charges, right? So imagine So initially, let us imagine these charges were at infinity, Q1 and Q2 here. So what we'll do first is we'll bring Q1 at say this point. Say this is Q1 at some point, right? So this is how we brought Q1, and now we are bringing Q2. Say at this point. Let us say this is Q2, right? So initially, when we were bringing Q1, there was no other charge to oppose it, right? So there is basically no field due to any previous charge which could oppose Q1. So we say there was, so what is the work done in bringing Q1? So by definition, W1 should be equal to Q1 V1, right? But there is no charge here, so V1 should be equal to 0. So this will be Q1 into 0 is equal to 0. So work done in bringing charge Q1 from infinity to this point is 0. Let us now calculate what is the work done, right, in bringing charge Q2. So now see, let us say the distance between Q1 and Q2 is, let us say, R12. Okay, this is the distance between Q1 and Q2. Now, since Q1 is present, we have learned that due to Q1 at this point, the potential will be, right? Okay, so let's call this as V0 and this will be V0 because there was no charge. Okay, so potential due to Q1 at this point V1, right? At this point will be V1 is equal to Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12, right? So this will be potential due to this point at a point where Q2 is present. So we know, if we know the potential at a point, then work done is nothing but potential times whatever is the charge. So work done in bringing Q2 at this point will be Q2 into V1, which is Q2 Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12. Okay? So the total work done, right? So total work done. So we should write here the total work done, right? So therefore, total work done in bringing Q1 and Q2 from infinity will be W is equal to W1 plus W2, which is equal to 0 plus Q1 Q2. You can write Q1 Q2 in order. Q1 Q2 on 4 pi epsilon naught R. This thing can be written as U. So potential energy of a system of two charge is Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. So this is it for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.